Hello everyone, today I am showing you something very tasty, very special, and it goes by the name Bombay Potatoes. So for making this recipe, in a pot of boiling water add 500 grams of baby potatoes and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes until tender. Be careful not to overcook the potatoes. Once the potatoes are cooked, transfer it in a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. Once the potatoes have cooled down to room temperature, peel the skin as shown and keep it aside. The next step is to make the potato sauce. For that, take 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste along with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it well, then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything evenly and move on to stir fry this sauce. For that, in a medium heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add few curry leaves. Then gently pour the prepared sauce. Cook this on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the raw flavor goes away. Once the sauce is cooked and ready, gently roll the boiled potatoes in the sauce and cook for another 2 minutes. Lastly, add some chopped coriander and your amazing baby potatoes are ready in just under a few minutes. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking for most amazing yet simple and stunning recipes. Stay tuned.